YouTube, what's going on? It's your weekend gardener here. And today we have an unusual fruit. And I cannot think of the name, but this little, you know what? What's the name of this? It was right on the tip of my tongue. Turbana? It's a turbana. If I'm wrong, I'll put the corrections below. But I think it's turbana. Okay, hold it up for the folks. This is a turbana, and it looks like a banana.
In Brazil, we call the silver banana.
That's a silver banana?
Banana prata.
Banana prata.
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 Yes.
Okay. Now, this is a very unusual banana because, you know, I always speak about GMO. This is, I believe, an original banana. You know what an original banana is?
Original. Unoriginal.
Yes. Have you ever had this before?
In Brazil, but it's not so big this way.
It's smaller?
Yeah, it's smaller.
Mm.
It's a tiny.
Tiny?
Yeah.
Okay. It's real thin.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did say that about y'all fruit and stuff. I noticed your bananas are real skinny. Mm-hmm. So it peels like a banana, so you can peel it like a banana. Or that's how y'all do it?
Yeah, you can peel.
But now, when you had this, anything unusual about it?
No.
Nothing unusual?
The peel is hardest.
Okay.
Yes, the peel is hardest.
Did you smell it?
Don't smell nothing.
Okay. So it's GMO. So split it this way.
Okay. Let's. Okay.
You know, yeah, like that, and show the people the inside because this. I think it's going to be different. Yeah.
Romeo is here. He loves banana.
Okay. Not what I expected. Yeah, it's definitely not what I expected. Is it the same thing?
Yeah, but in Brazil it's sweet. The smell is sweet.
How about the smell for this?
Weak smell.
Weak smell? Okay, so has no scent. I wonder if the dog can pick it up. Like if he can smell it. Okay. You already know. I only have to say it.
Seems like it's not ready to eat.
Oh, so it's not ripe.
Yes. You eat and your mouth is... I don't know how to describe.
Well, you know what I always say. Say it in Portuguese.
Amarra na boca. Gruda. I'm sorry, guys.
Gruda. I heard that.
Yeah, gruda.
I don't know what gruda or boca mean. Ripe, tangy.
Tangy, a little tangy.
Little tangy, so yeah, so it's not sweet. I'm not sure what color it's supposed to be. I think it started off greenish.
This part is better.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've had it in the paper bag for about a week to let the gases build up so it'll be ripe.
Yes.
So it's not ready yet, but here we are, taste testing. We're gonna give it a shot. Just cut me a little piece because I'm not that brave. Cut me a little piece.
Baby, be brave.
No, I'm good. Yeah, my bananas have to be ripe. I mean, I don't like tangy bananas. 1 to 10, what do you give it as in a state? How it is right now?
2.
A 2.
Don't taste nothing.
Don't taste nothing?
No. It's not funny.
Not funny? All right.
Romeo like.
He does? Yeah, he a dog. He don't know better.
Second greedy pig.
No, it's not ready.
It's not ready, right?
Texture is real slippery in my mouth. And I almost don't taste it, but I do taste a little twang to it.
Yeah.
I'll give it a 1.
Have to stay more time inside the bag.
Man, that thing will be brown by the time it's ready to be eaten.
Yeah.
Okay, so you heard it here. We give it a, you said a 1?
I say 2.
A 2, and I gave it a 2, I think.
2?
I think, I don't know.
Yeah.
No, I'm going to give it a 1.
What?
So that's a 2 and a 1. And it's for the turbana. And you call it the silver patata?
Banana.
Silver?
Prata.
Banana patata.
Silver banana.
Silver banana. So there you have it. Silver banana. Banana patata. Right?
Prata.
Prata. Okay, so now, if I saw this in the store again,
No.
I would fly past this thing and it wouldn't even stop. So there you have it, another fruit test. No.